In this video, I'm going to show you how to release a stuck drill bit in a Milwaukee cordless drill. So you might come to an old drill and find that the drill bit is seized in the end. So the first thing you can do to help release the drill bit is to just give it a light tap on your workbench. Quite often the drill bit's rusted into the end of your drill. So a few little taps might hopefully break the seal between the rusty drill bit and your drill. Now the next thing you want to do is make sure that your drill is in the right settings to help free the drill bit. So we're going to make sure our drill's on speed 1, that's going to give us the most torque and help us release the drill bit in the most controlled fashion. We also need to make sure that our cordless drill is set to drill mode. So if we have a look on here, we can see this little arrow is pointing to drill mode. We don't want it in hammer and we don't want it in our screw settings, as this won't give us the power that we need. So just make sure you're in drill mode. The indicator might vary between cordless drills, but we're set to drill mode, we're set to speed 1. Then all we want to do is make sure that our forward and reverse thing here is set to reverse, push that away from ourselves, and then what we want to do is hold the end of the chuck with our left hand. You can see it's got these groove bits here just to help you get a bit of friction on it. You don't want to be holding this bit. This line here separates the body of the drill from the chuck. So in the right settings, we've got this pushed away from ourselves, and we're now going to hold the chuck and just blip the trigger, and hopefully that should spring our drill bit loose. As you can see, that's loosened up. If we just do that a bit further, you can see this is pushed away from us, and you can see the drill bit start to open. So we'll just show you that in reverse. Pop your drill bit back in, flick this towards yourself, and then you can tighten the chuck around the drill bit. So hopefully that's helped you free up the drill bit in your Milwaukee cordless drill.